Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss how to link your YouTube account to Google AdSense. If you want to earn money from your YouTube videos, connect your YouTube account to Google AdSense. AdSense is a platform that lets you get paid for the ads shown on your videos. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you do that. Step 1. Make sure you're eligible. Before you can link your YouTube account to AdSense, you need to meet these requirements. You need 1,000 subscribers. You need 4,000 watch hours on your videos in the past 12 months. You must follow YouTube's guidelines and rules. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program, which allows you to earn money from your videos. Step 2. Sign into your YouTube account. Open YouTube on your browser. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. Step 3. Go to Monetization Settings. On the left side of the screen, click Monetization. If you're eligible, you will see the option to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Click on Apply Now. Step 4. Set up Google AdSense. After applying for the YouTube Partner Program, you will be asked to set up an AdSense account. If you already have one, you can just link it. If you don't have an AdSense account, follow the steps to create one. Click. Start to create your AdSense account. You will be taken to the AdSense website. Fill out the form with your details, like your name, address, and payment information. Submit the form, and Google will review your application. Step 5. Wait for approval. Once you've applied for both the YouTube Partner Program and AdSense, you'll need to wait for YouTube to review and approve your channel. This can take a few days or even weeks. You will receive an email once your channel is approved. Step 6. Start earning. After your account is linked and approved, ads will appear on your videos. You'll earn money based on how many people watch or interact with the ads. Final tips. Make sure to follow YouTube's rules to avoid any problems with monetization. And be patient. Getting approved and earning money can take some time. That's it. Now you know how to link your YouTube account to Google AdSense and start earning money from your videos.